Okay, we're given in this problem that the two polygons, ABCDE and RSTUV, are similar. So we know that the corresponding angles are congruent. We also know that the ratios of corresponding sides must be equal. So we know that AE corresponds with RV. We know that because A and E are the first and last letters of that polygon, and R and V are the first and last letters here. So the segments represented by AE and RV are corresponding parts. So their ratio, which is 18/12, it reduces to 3/2. That 3/2 is called the scale factor. And what we know is that all ratios of corresponding sides must equal that scale factor. So to find y in this example, I will write 3/2 equals y. Now, y is segment DE. Segment DE is the last two letters in the first polygon, so it corresponds to UV, the last two letters in the other polygon, whose length is 4. I can then cross multiply. I'll have that 2y is equal to 12, and that will give me a y value of 6. I'll find x in the same way. I'll take my scale factor, 3/2, and set it equal to, okay, now the x is over on the polygon on the right. It's segment UT. Again, if we look, UT, that's second and third from the last here. It corresponds to CD, whose length is 16. So I'm going to do 3:2 as 16 is to x. Now, does it have to be 16 over x, or can it be x over 16? And the answer is it has to be 16 over x. The reason is when we got our scale factor, 3/2, we started with the 18 that was on the left side, and we divided it by the 12 on the right. So since that's the way the scale factor was developed, we have to work left over right on all of our fractions. Okay, solving that, when we cross multiply, we'll get 3x is equal to 32. X will be 32. 32 divided by 3. Okay. That's about all you need to know. You ought to be able to do problems like these now.